In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account to Claude so you can streamline your workflow and manage your financial data effortlessly. Integrating these tools allows the AI to assist with tracking transactions or managing account tasks without you having to constantly switch between tabs. To get started, open the Claude interface on your computer and look for your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on that icon to open your account menu and then navigate to the Settings section. Inside the Settings menu, you need to find the tab labeled Connectors, though on some versions it might say Customize followed by Connect Your Apps. Once you are in the Connectors area, click the button that says Browse Connectors to see all the available third-party integrations. Use the search bar at the top to type in PayPal and wait for the official app to appear in the results. When you see it, look for the small plus symbol or the Connect button right next to the icon and click it to begin the link. A separate window will pop up asking you to sign into your PayPal account. Enter your login credentials and review the permissions to ensure everything looks correct. After you click the Allow button to securely authorize the connection, the window will close and you will be returned to Claude. Your account is now synced and ready to use. I hope this guide was helpful for your setup process. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful AI tips and tricks.